HRC Fertility is a world-class leader in infertility medicine, bringing dreams to life for nearly 40 years. We offer all-inclusive care packages, state-of-the-art technologies, and the latest procedures, delivering the full spectrum of family-building care tailored to your unique needs. In a city where VIP experiences abound, our Las Vegas HRC Fertility team has science-backed methods and individualized care plans waiting for you. Whether you're starting your fertility journey or seeking new solutions, our Las Vegas region offers 5-star accommodations and oasis resorts amid non-stop excitement and entertainment you can't find anywhere else. Learn more and schedule an appointment at havingbabies.com. Don't wait another moment to start bringing your dreams to life.